So I've got my center light installed on the new 150 gallon. This is a HyperReef 200. I used the wire hanging kit, and now, so that's what it looks like when you power it up. I haven't adjusted color or temperatures or anything. But before I do that, I'd like to install this controller and see what's going on with this. So this has the ability to daisy chain and do multiple lights, which is what I plan to do. Just kind of wanted to see how this all worked and went together before I purchased the other ones. Here we go. All right, instructions. Looks like we've got a magnetic plate that this snaps into. At least that's the way it felt. Yeah. So there's the controller. And USB-C on the output with, I assume, a power. Okay, here's the USB-C. Okay, there's some double-sided tape and some screws. I think I will install this with screws. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in my fish room or in here just yet. So let me figure that out and get her installed, and we'll go from there. Well, the controller works exactly how you would expect it to. It gets power via the USB-C, which in my case I plug into the back of my first and only lamp. I'll be getting more and daisy chaining them. So I got to figure out where to mount this. I think I'm going to probably put it on the other side of the wall in the fish room, but with this I can manually, okay, so right now I've got white set at 16%. Let me ramp that up and you can see the color change happen over here. So there's 100%. So I've got a violet channel, I got a blue channel, I got a green, a red, and a white channel. And I can adjust those all manually, or there's programming that you can do well, I'll get into that when I get a better screenshot. Okay, so this is the Nicrew HyperReef 200. This is the basic Pro, it's called Pro Set 1, and I'm going to go ahead and show you a demo of that. So this is going to simulate how it changes throughout the day. So I'm going to hit start. So that's nighttime. There's 6 a.m., there's 8 a.m., there's noon, getting towards 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's how it's going to start and end the day. Back to our current time frame. So I'm just going to let it run the program, and now I got to go get 2 more lights. Now that I see it's going to work the way I want it to.